What the body needs may not be what you're thinking. Open up your mind, because what you think is the way to go get the answers for you, it may not work. And also have an open mind that you can heal yourself. I'm Isom, one of the founders of Amplify. My background is practical science and especially plasma biophysics and the effects of energy on matter. The science of how we even work is constantly evolving. It's just fascinating. There's no end to what we're learning. I'm always trying to understand better how we can biohack and push the extreme to what we can do as human beings. The average person that is at the end of the rope isn't just someone who just wakes up and says, hey, I need to look at myself better. There's usually a systemic problem that is gone from mild to very severe, and it is really affecting their life. It's affecting the energy level, it's affecting how they think, it's affecting their moods. Whatever it is chronic. And you can't help but have compassion and empathy on the path they've taken to try to overcome and try to solve the problem that they have. There's not enough information available to them to make decisions. People specifically will exhaust their finances, their time. They're always going to someone else who is put in a box. There has to be a better way of being able to understand how we work, what's really going on, if we really want to solve those problems. Ultimately, they are the ones that will heal themselves, and the solutions that are being presented to them are just band-aid fixes to a symptom, not the real problem. We've got to ask the right questions. The unique difference that Amplify has in the solution side of the holistic world is that we apply a lot of the same energy and frequency calibrating and tuning that exists out there, but we specifically do that to your DNA. The advantage is that your DNA can be tuned no matter where you are in the world. If we have your DNA, we can put it in a position where we can run tests and analysis that will query your subconscious as if you were there physically. You are getting ready for a test. You need more focus, you need more clarity, you need the type of new information and frequencies that come from nutrition and the information and frequencies that come from other types of nutrients. What if that was provided remotely, right at the time when you needed to take the test? We have people who, right at the moment that they're about ready to compete in an athletic event, we can remotely send information to their DNA that then sends that information to them on the court. We had a athletic performance event of powerlifting, and at the moment that she was getting ready to complete her event, we used the frequencies remotely and triggered her DNA to have the information, and was able to be very successful in her event. We have a lady that the moment she wakes up, she's in pain. Throughout the day, we could be giving tunings where when she gets up, driving, whatever she's doing, we're sending that information to dial down the pain, to adjust and react differently, to reduce inflammation, again, at a distance. Typical list of things that people have are low energy, overactive immune system that is attacking a lot of normal things of their body, it seems. There is chronic degeneration, there's breaking down, there isn't the ability to heal or regenerate like they need to, the inability to sleep like they're supposed to, or even perform throughout the day, let alone athletic performance. Everything is just being minimized in their body, and so they're just looking for solutions. For those of us where anxiety and depression is something that we're battling with, Amplify can help supply tuning energy and frequencies uniquely to your DNA that your body will respond to. What makes this revolutionary is you don't have to go into a clinic in order to receive more information on analysis or in order to get tuning types of therapies. You can do this remotely. The other advantage that you have with this You're receiving the information and energy of something. Whereas when you take a molecular medicine or a pharmaceutical drug, we could provide that information without the side effect that would normally be accompanied with that molecular medicine. So that you can go on throughout your day like you do normally, and we can provide this coaching and the frequencies to assist you wherever you are. It's totally safe. It's at a distance. We still have you. We still are working with you. You still have the support, and you still have the benefit without the inconvenience of having to physically go somewhere. When a new member comes to Amplify, they fall under a couple of different categories. Maybe you already know what you want to do and what you want to accomplish. What you would simply do is send in your DNA, and we will then place that DNA into a different treatment chamber that exposes your DNA to the things of that very focus that you have chosen. As an example, if you would like your DNA to be treated in a chamber for nutrition, it could go into a nutrition chamber. If you'd like it to go into a chamber that assists with balancing hormones or neurotransmitters, it can go into a chamber that is dedicated for that purpose. Or maybe you don't exactly know what to do. You might want to do a scan. We'll scan your DNA and then provide the results so that you can help better understand what's going on. And then from there, from those results, you can then choose what different Amplify chambers to put your DNA in for frequency tuning. Or maybe be part of one of our many ongoing studies where we are studying a specific thing. We run tests before and after tuning sessions that may last a couple of months or so. We have lots of different options of how you can become involved and how you can get started. The benefits of a healthy state is free from disease, having endurance, having strength, having vitality and energy, being able to sleep and being able to do the things that you want to do, being independent and being happy. Your brain knows what to do. Your brain built your body. Trust it. Our mission at Amplify is to provide convenient, affordable, alternative solutions and to assist you in your journey for the best optimal health that you can find. Send your DNA in, have your DNA looked at, and have your DNA put into a chamber where we can provide the healing frequencies to send to you, and your brain will know what to do with it.